Umboniso 4, scene 4. Kusemchatweni, at the wedding, Gugulethu noMzamo, Gugulethu and Mzamo bafika. They arrive, babiza and call NomamPondomise langeni, who is there, nezinye intombi, with other girls, 2 girls, weziwe Dabula and Nozibele Mlambo. Tyhini mfondini, sekuphunywe kwilokho yokuqala. Uyazibona eza ntombi zintathu zimi phaya. Hey my friend, you see the first dress stage has already passed. Do you see those 3 girls zimi standing over there? Ewe ndizibona kakuhle. I see them clearly. Nansiya ke yona, there she is then, phakathi, in the middle. Masithume umntwana ayibize. Let us send a child to go and call her, which they then do. Sisi, says the child, uyabizwa ngabaya bhuti. Sisi, you are being called by those young men. Abapi, which? Those over there, pointing to them. Bathi biza bani kanye. Who exactly did they say you should call? Bathi mandibize wena, I must call you. Uqonda njani ukuba bathi biza mna? How did you know that they said call me? Bathi, they said mandibize, I must call Usisi, the young lady standing in the middle. Nozibele, hayi ntanga, no my friend, musa ukumlibazisa umntana. Don't delay the child. Hamba uye, go. Hey bethu, hey, exclamation. Naso isimanga sezimanga. This is a mystery. Kubani lo undibizayo ecuwa? Who is this calling me in Butterworth? Disuka kude kangaka kutsolo, when I have come from so far away, in Tsolo. Inene ngu nonqawuse lo. This is indeed a mystery, just an idiomatic expression. Ndikapheni bethuni ndiye. Come with me, accompany me, my friends, and so that as I go. Weziwe says, Masimkaphe ndanga. Let's go with her, let's accompany her. And off they go to where Gugulethu is. Kini, goodness me, nguwe lo undibizayo bhuti Gugulethu. Is it you calling me, brother Gugulethu? Bendimangalisiwe ukuba, I was wondering ukuba ngubani na undibiza engandazi. Who could it be calling me who did not know me? Which stranger could be calling me? Kanti kowenu kukufutshane na apa? And so is kowenu, is your home close by? Phew! Ndakugqibela nini Hlubi? When was the last time I saw you? Bendingasacingi ukuba ndingakubona kwakhona. I was just thinking that, I was wondering when I would see you again. Oh, I was thinking that I would never see you again. Unyanisile Jola. Jola is just a term of endearment. Sagqibelana kudala. Indeed, Jola, we haven't seen each other for a long time. Liyinene eli qalo lithi. The proverb of saying, the proverb say is indeed true. The proverb which says, Abakha babonana bopinda babonane. Those who once saw each other will see each other again. Khawubonise kaloku ukuba kudala sagqibelana. So show me then that it is indeed, that it has indeed been a long time since we last saw each other. Ndibonise njani kanene Hlubi? And how must I do that, Hlubi? Ngokuthi monqo nje, by kissing me. Hayibo, uxolo ke kuleyo into, No, forget about that. Turning then to her friends. Bethuni, my friends, eli geza nilibonayo Gugulethu. This naughty fellow whom you see is Gugulethu. Yo, God, sorry. Ngumnumzana Zilindile. It's Mr. Zilindile from the Khadebe clan in Zazulwana. Sasifunda, we studied together at Blythswood. Kakade Bhuti, by the way, Bhuti Gugulethu, kuphi Zazulwana Qasilapa? Where is Zazulwana from here? Gugulethu says, Qala ugqibe ukwazisa oku kuqala. First start by introducing us. NomamPondomise says, ndihamba nabo. These people with whom I am here are Miss Ndabula, Weziwe by name, and this one is Nozibele Mlambo. They too, NomamPondomise, belong to the Mpondomise clan. Lo ndihamba naye ke, and this person with whom I am here today, Manenekazi, young ladies, is Mr. Kabendlini Mzamo by name. Chief, Impondomise kazi eli, this Impondomise young girl is Miss Langeni NomamPondomise, njengoko seluvile, as you have already heard. Ndiyavuya ukunazi manenekazi. I am pleased to meet you, ladies, and how are you? Hayi Bhuti, akukho nto imbi apha kuthi. No problems here with us. Ninjani, niphila njani nina Bhuti? And how are you? Hayi, akukho embi nkosazana. No problems, miss. Manenekazi uxolo. Ladies, apologies. Sicela ukubonana, we request to have a word with Miss Langeni. Asizi kumlibazisa, and we will not keep her long. Nozibele says, akukho nto Bhuti. No problems, Bhuti, brother. Ningamfumana, you can get her, you can have her. NomamPondomise, oh, yini Weziwe, my goodness Weziwe, Mzala, my friend. Kutheni uvuma lula kangaka nje? How can you accept so easily? Uyazi ukuba umntu akanako ukuthemba? Do you know that you cannot be trusted? Anyway, off they go. Weziwe and Nozibele then leave. Mzamo speaks now to NomamPondomise. Jolinkomo, a term of endearment. Mhlambe uthe nqa. Perhaps you are wondering, kutheni, why ndicela, I asked to ukubonana nawe, to have a word with you, ndingakwazi nje, as a stranger, not knowing you. Phofu kuba ndimi no Gugulethu, but however, perhaps because I am here with Gugulethu, ndiqinisekile, I'm sure that sewukhana, that you have an inkling ukuba ngaba yintoni na, of what it is all about. Mna ke Jola, as for me, Jola, I know that kudala uGugulethu le ethetha ngawe kum. I know that for a long time this Gugulethu has been speaking about you to me. Xa ethetha ngentombi, when he speaks about a girl ayithanda kakhulu, whom he loves very much, yena ethetha ngawe, he always speaks of you. Ayikho enye intombi esenhliziyweni yakhe. There is no other girl in his heart ngaphandle kwakho, besides yourself. Ndiyakholwa, I am sure, I believe that nawe uziluma qho ngenxa yakhe. I'm sure that you often literally bite your tongue because of him, and you can read about what is meant by that in the purple on the right hand side. Silapha emshadweni, we are here at the wedding. We are just here at the wedding, having come sizele ukuthetha nawe, having come especially ukuthetha nawe, to speak to you. Gugulethu undichazele yonke into. Gugulethu has described everything to me. So much so, kangangokuba ndingakuqinisekisa, I can assure you when I say that lo mfana uyakuthanda, that this man really loves you. Akazenzisi, he is not pretending. Intaphane ye letter, the many letters akubhalela yona, which he has written to you, nathi nahlukana, since you parted, ziyayingqina lento ndiyithethayo. Ziyayingqina lento ndiyithethayo. Confirm what I am saying. NomamPondomise says then, oh, Bhuti Gugulethu, oh, my brother Gugulethu, my friend Gugulethu, uyazi, do you know, ndicinga ukuba lento wayiyeka. I thought that you had forgotten about this. Hayi, uza kundenzela amashwa ngalento. You are going to bring great misfortune to me with this. Uzakwenza ningakwazi ukutya nokulala. You will make it difficult for me, or you will make me unable to eat and to sleep. Wena Jola uti ndiza, you Jola say I will, that this is what will happen to you. Mna andikwazi ukutya kakuhle. As for me, I can't eat properly. Ubuthongo bona ndabuncama, and I have given up on ubuthongo, sleep. Uyazi ukuba NomamPondomise, do you know that umntu uyakwazi ukujika, that a person can change, abe yinto, and become something angadalelwanga yona, which he was not created, ngenxa, as a result of ukuphoswa ngulowo amthandayo, as a result of losing the one he loves. Omnye, one can become ubangumbulali, can become a murderer. Omnye udlalani, another a playboy, or gqiba intombi zelizwe lonke, who goes around with all the girls in the country. And yet another, omnye uba likhoboka lotywala, and another can become a slave to alcohol, an alcoholic. Nam ke mhlawumbi, me too perhaps, ndiza kufumana elinye la mashwa. Perhaps one of these misfortunes will befall me. Ukuba, if akunqandi, if you do not prevent it. NomamPondomise, ngaba undiva kakuhle na? Do you hear me clearly? Ndithi nguwe kuphela. I say that it is only you onokundisindisa, who can save me. Nguwe kuphela. It is only you. Go, Bhuti Gugulethu. Oh, Bhuti Gugulethu, uthetha kabuhlungu. You speak, your words are painful. Your words strike the heart. Kodwa ndiyakucela Mthi, but I ask you, Mthi, clan name, nceda iyeke lento, please forget about it. Ngendikukhulula, I would free you kulentlungu of this pain. Ukuba bendingenayo le ngxaki ndinayo, if there was not this problem ndinayo which I have, nceda ndikhuphe mpela ezingcingeni zakho. Please remove me totally ezingcingeni zakho from your thoughts. NomamPondomise yini Jola? Oh Jola, yintoni le uyithethayo? What are you saying? Ndingakukhupha njani ezingcingeni zam? How can I remove you from my thoughts? Uthando lwam kuwe, my love for you, alunakuze luphele. My love for you can never end. Uthando alunaku konke ukuphela. Love cannot end. Yiyo loo nto, that is why the famous English writer said, love is not love which alters when its alteration finds, or bends with the remover to remove. It is an ever-fixed mark that looks on tempests and is never shaken. It is the star to every wandering bark, whose worth's unknown, although his height be taken. Love's not time's fool through rosy lips and cheeks, within his bending sickle's compass come. Love alters not with his brief hours and weeks, but bears it out even to the edge of doom. NomamPondomise, says Mzamo, nceda Ngwanya, khawuyicingisise le nto. Please Ngwanya, think about this very carefully. Lo mfana angenzakala, this young man could get hurt xa ungalwamkeli uthando lwakhe, if you do not accept his love. Mandenje nje ukuniphendula. Let me answer in this way. Apha bendize emtshatweni. Here I've come to the wedding. Ke andinako ukucinga enye into, and therefore I cannot think about anything else. Ngakumbi, especially nangenxa and because of imeko endikuyo, the situation I find myself in. And because of all these things, lo mcimbi ufuna ndiwucingisise. This matter requires great thought, deep thought. Kuba into yokulwamkela kwam, because my accepting of uthando lukaBhuti Gugulethu, of Bhuti Gugulethu's love, will mean commitments and sacrifices. Kanindiphe ithuba. Just give me a chance. Give me some time. Isigqibo sam, my decision, ndakumazisa uBhuti Gugulethu ngeleta. I will inform Brother Gugulethu of by letter. Kulungile Jola. Okay Jola. Siyakunika ithuba. We give you the time. Ngethemba, in the hope, in the sincere hope, elikhulu, with a great hope, lokuba, that this matter, lo mcimbi, uyakuhlalutya, you will consider ngovelwano, with sympathy. Asazi, sobona. We don't know, we will see. Ndingavuya kakhulu Jola. I will be so glad Jola. Ke ndiyakuhlala ndilindile, and I will remain waiting. And so NomamPondomise goes off. Mzamo whispering then to Gugulethu, "Hi Chief, andikugxeki ngokuphambana yile ntombi mfondini. I don't blame you for being phambana, mad about this girl, my friend. Intle, she's beautiful. Inoncumo oluhle, has a beautiful smile. Ithetha kamnandi, she speaks nicely, beautifully. Ifanelekile, she is most suitable. Kwaye ngathi inesimilo, and she has poise, personality. She's well brought up, well mannered.